Hello friends. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today's video is filled with a lot of important information. But before we proceed, please subscribe to our channel to help us out. We are going to be looking at Canadian immigration lawyers, the benefits of having an immigration lawyer, as well as the steps to hire one. If you are planning to immigrate to any of these advanced countries like the USA, Canada, or Australia, it is a good idea to hire an immigration lawyer. And if you want the immigration process to run smoothly without hassle, finding an experienced lawyer should be high on your list of priorities. Why do you need an immigration lawyer? According to the Canadian government, you do not need to hire an immigration lawyer. However, it is up to you. Using one will not get your application special attention or guarantee it will be approved. Nonetheless, you could be making a huge mistake if you decide to do it alone. Quite often, there may be very complicated legal procedures involved when you immigrate to Canada, and especially if you're not well knowledgeable in immigration law, we highly recommend that you seek out for an experienced professional who will be there to help guide and support you through the process. Otherwise, you could run the risk of having your application turned down or rejected, which could result in even greater difficulties later down the line. When you hire an immigration lawyer, it is their responsibility to make sure all documentation is present, correct, and handed in on time. It can be all too easy to overlook a necessary requirement on your application, which can jeopardizing your entire case. Benefits of hiring an immigration lawyer for visa application. Let's look at ways you can benefit from hiring a good immigration lawyer to represent you throughout this complicated immigration system. 1. A good immigration lawyer avoids mistakes. Filing the correct paperwork is an essential part of the processes of acquiring a visa, getting a loved-on residence in Canada, and finalizing your marriage to an immigrant, among other procedures. This paperwork is usually complicated and extensive, and without the help of an immigration expert, there are many opportunities to make mistakes that sink the whole application permanently. An experienced immigration lawyer can walk you through the process to apply for work permits, permanent residency, marriage licenses, and citizenship, without allowing errors that derail your chance to get these important documents authorized by the proper parties. 2. They are seasoned by experience. One of the benefits of hiring an immigration lawyer is the experience of making immigrants' dreams into realities. It is crucial to hire an expert that's done it before for people in the same position as you find yourself now. It's one thing to understand the immigration law, and it's another thing to understand how to find success for your clients. 3. Immigration lawyers can maneuver the permits and regulations. A good immigration lawyer has all the procedural maneuvers necessary to get you where you want to be. Whether it's obtaining a permanent residence or work permit in Canada or Canadian citizenship, immigration lawyer is a veritable expert on what you need to make that happen. You will be able to make it through the various complex application system faster and with much ease. 4. They can explain your options to you. Immigration experts can explain these immigration options in front of you, making sure you understand the full scope of your circumstances. Whether you are facing rejection or deportation or something else, your situation is likely very sensitive and require urgent attention by a lawyer. Even after obtaining a Canadian permanent residency or work permit, immigrants still have special laws that apply only to them. If you don't follow these laws, you could face deportation before your visa is expired or after acquiring permanent resident status. An experienced immigration lawyer can help understand these laws so you don't endanger your status as an immigrant with residency in Canada. Now let's talk about the steps to hire an immigration lawyer. But before we go ahead, we would like you to know that we make such videos as this every day. If you want videos like this, you can click on the subscription button to become part of us. Steps to hire an immigration lawyer for visa application. The process of finding a lawyer to guide you through the immigration process can be a daunting task. But it's the first step to the life you want to live. Most immigration lawyers get their clients from referrals from previous clients or recommendations from other associates. A good immigration lawyer will have a strong reputation, hence you should consider the recommendations of others carefully. When you have decided on one, it's a good idea to set up a preliminary consultation or research to find out if they are right for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you have questions, please leave them on the comments section. Also check out the description for related resources that might interest you.